Crypto volatility is in full swing this morning, giving us yet another opportunity to buy. Guys, Bitcoin is falling down to 116,100 at the moment, and man, that price is swinging. Now, looking at it, the volatility is causing a little bit of nervousness, let's call it that, for investors, but it does not stop the whales from loading up. In fact, we've got some massive price predictions. 1,500% gains possible for Shiba Inu coin investors from the current level. Now, we're going to talk a little bit more about that in this video, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, $115,900 Bitcoin, it is swinging this morning, and Shiba Inu coin doing pretty well. SHIB sitting right about 1,300 points per coin at the time that I'm recording this video, but nonetheless, a move from $123,000 yesterday to $115,000 today. This has got a lot of traders on edge. They don't know what's happening, and they're going to start talking. Was that the top? Was that the peak for Bitcoin? Is the bull market over? As a matter of fact, I do not believe that that was the peak for Bitcoin. Time will tell whether I'm correct or incorrect on that. But nonetheless, this could be a transition where Bitcoin becomes saturated and we begin to move down into altcoins and eventually meme coins. And if that's the case, this analyst could be correct in his prediction. Now let's talk a little bit about it. It says a leading crypto analyst has reignited excitement for Shiba Inu coin's community, predicting a potential monster breakout for the meme coin. According to the TradingView analyst, SHIB is flashing bullish signals that could soon head towards 3,200 points per coin, its next key resistance. After nearly 6 months of sideways movement, Shiba Inu coin was doing phenomenal at the beginning of 2025, and of course it has not been doing phenomenal throughout 2025 so far. It says SHIB may finally be ready to make a big move, and the analyst believes traders who now enter the trade could catch the wave early and might see a massive bull run. It goes on to say that the first price target is, this is 17,000 points per coin. Not 4 zeros, 3 zeros and a 1-7. 17,000 points per coin. A 1,200% gain from the current levels. And the second target is 22,000 points per coin, a jaw-dropping 1,500% return. Now, if this prediction plays out, a $10,000 investment in SHIB could explode into $160,000, turning the meme hype into major gains. Analysts echo this bullish sentiment. It says the price tracking platform CoinCodex also sees a bullish breakout brewing. Their latest data suggests that SHIB can consolidate near 1,400 points per coin in the coming weeks before potentially breaching the 2,000 point per coin mark by August 22nd. With a broader market heating up and retail momentum returning, Shiba Inu coin could be one of the top altcoins in the coming months. Now, if you guys want this summarized, 1,500% rally, 10,000 investment could 16x into $160,000. And the key breakout zones to look out for are, of course, that 3,200 point per coin mark that proved as resistance at the end of 2024 into 2025. And the long-term target is 22,000 points per coin. That is roughly 3 times the all-time high that Shiba Inu coin has experienced. Now, of course, with volatility picking up, this is exactly what you would expect during a bull market. More traders are jumping in, higher movement, and if you cannot handle the heat, I feel really dumb saying it, you've got to get out of the kitchen, right? If you are sitting on prices, if you're sitting on a portfolio where you are ready to take profit and you cannot afford for the price to come back down, it's okay. That's why we're here, guys. We're here to make money in the crypto space. Now, I continue to buy. I actually bought a little bit more Solana this morning already, and I will continue adding on this dip here. If you guys are interested in continuing to add, you've got a link for the KSX exchange down in the description below. You guys can trade Bitcoin on up to 125x leverage. Think about that. 100x leverage means that for every percent that the price moves, you guys double your money. So of course you would 3-4x your money this morning already just on the move. If you would have been playing Bitcoin to the downside, I am not brave enough to play Bitcoin or any crypto to the downside at the moment because I believe that this bull market is just getting started. And of course we could rally higher in no time. I am continuing to invest in these tiny little meme coins like Bitcoin Hyper as well. In the next one day, in 3 hours, the price is going to rise again. These guys have already raised $2.9 million. And of course, it's very easy. You click that link in the description below, buy with crypto, buy with card, and then connect your wallet. Now, I like to connect via Best Wallet or Wallet Connect. And all you have to do is take the, Trust Wallet on your phone or the Best Wallet on your phone, scan that QR code, and you're able to connect. You type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. Now, if you don't have Best Wallet, there is a link for a free download in the description below. It is excellent for all of these ICOs because it allows you to track your coins, it allows you to track your tokens in your wallet before the ICO even launches, so you don't have to connect and reconnect and all of that. And of course, if you do get in early, you get stage 0 pricing on the ICOs as well. Now, how the layer 2 for Bitcoin Hyper is going to work is very simple. You're going to use the Solana virtual machine and bridge over from Bitcoin to the Bitcoin layer 2, Bitcoin Hyper. And then, of course, you're going to be able to transact with near instant finality on this layer 2 blockchain. It's going to send your information back to the Bitcoin layer 1 in batches using zero knowledge proofs. And then when you're ready to withdraw, you can go initiate that request and pull your Bitcoin back onto the Bitcoin network. What this is eventually going to do is bring utility to the Bitcoin blockchain. Right now, Bitcoin is extremely expensive to transact and it's extremely slow to transact. So if you're able to use a layer 2 blockchain, going to the grocery store and spending your Bitcoin, going to whatever you want to do, right? However you want to transfer your Bitcoin, it's going to be bigger, faster, stronger, and cheaper to do so. So make sure to check all of this out. You guys got links for everything down in the description. Let me know what tokens you guys are loading up on. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.